What's up, everybody? Alright, real quick. Long story short, you guys already have your dates for what's going on for this week, what's going on for next week. We gotta go to a car meet tonight. Today is that day, but you guys are gonna see me going out tonight. The only thing you're gonna be seeing today is just me installing this, and then here in a couple days, you guys will be seeing that. You guys have the dates, so on and so on. But man, it's nice to see you guys. So as you guys know, it's hot as fuck. I live here in Arizona. For the people here in Arizona who already know, it's hot. So that's why I haven't been out here working on my shit. Long story short, we're just gonna hurry up, fucking get cracking. We're gonna go down to cousin's house, and then we're gonna go down. We're gonna go down and go clean up the car, and then we're gonna go flush everything up. We're gonna go clean up the engine bay. Neighbors are looking at me all weird. We're gonna go clean up the engine bay. We're gonna go clean up the car. We're gonna go and install the racing seat here finally. I want to do the other one, but I need to go find the other bracket. Don't mind the car, it's a fucking mess, I know. That's why we're going to cousin's house. So I want to do the other racing seat in here, but life's telling me to save it for that one because I don't have the bracket for the second one, and we gotta go to cousin's house and go see where the other bracket's at. That's where I got them from. But long story short, let's get to cousin's house. It's hot as fuck. Look, I'm sweating already. Anyways, yeah. Alright guys, we made it.
Low power.
Don't mind that girl. Alright, so we're here at Cuzzo's house. Oh man, look what cousin did. Badass. So we're gonna go ahead, as you can tell by the thumbnail, we're gonna go ahead and I don't know why, like I'm telling you, like I'm barely starting the video. What you're gonna need is, bring this sucker out. Push your seat all the way forward. So this is for the W202 owners, people who are gonna want to know how to get this done. First thing you're gonna need is grab one of these. That'd be cool. If not, by hand is cool as well. Go ahead and grab yourself a 10 long extension. Alright, I'm gonna need my attachment. Hold on. I got it, guys. I don't want to cut this. Damn it. It's hard to do this in one hand. So, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna grab your 10. You're gonna pull the seat all the way forward. As you can tell, I already have it fucking jacked forward. Get behind here, and if you can see these two bolts, it's one right here. Bada boom and bada bang. So you're gonna take these two guys out, and you're gonna do the same thing on the front. You're gonna go ahead and push the seat all the way back, and you'll have access to that. So let's go ahead and get this cracking. Sweat, it's hot as fuck. God damn, bet you it's about like 120 in this car. 120 in this car. Alright, we got one. It's a long boy. Alright, and then you're gonna. I already broke all these, so if you guys are wondering why they're not tight. And you got two. So go ahead and move on to the forward. We got your two bolts taken out. That's exactly where you're gonna be taking them out. Bada boom, bada bang. Let's move to the front. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead, crack her back. Crack that back. Crackety jack. Yeah, I can't wait to go to tonight's car meet. It's gonna be pretty fun. Oh shit, keep it up. Alright, keep going back. Alright, that's it. So the next two are gonna be, yeah, it's dusty as a motherfucker right there. Hold on, guys. Alright, so there's your guy. He's right there, and same thing that's gonna be on the opposite side. He's right there. It's hard to fucking point. Right there, that's your guy. So break those, and then you'll be able to pull the seat out. Same thing on this side. Pull this guy out, and you should be able to pull the seat. Bam. Yeah, that's where that went. Oh, look at this charger. What the shit? Alright guys, so here's your electrical units. We're gonna go ahead and pull out the keys out. I don't want to blow the airbag. Alright, so your two connections are one. I'm gonna place this right here. connections. 1, 2, and 3. This main guy is gonna be a little hard. There you go. And then just slide that clip that way and it pulls out. Underneath here, there's some clips that it's holding on to. You're gonna want to release those. Just like so. And your seat should just come out. This clip right here. And all those seat heaters. Man, it's gonna suck not having in the fucking winter. Not gonna lie. Really enjoy when the seat gets fucking hot at fucking in the winter. I'll have to take the gray one. Fuck it, wear extra sweats. Alright, and just like that, the seat will come out. Everything is all disconnected. This is all to the seat. So this is all your wire harness. Alright, let's go ahead and let's pull the sucker out. Did you disconnect the battery? After you moved the bolts out? That's all good. Okay. Alright, so we're going to want to use a 17. Take out the seatbelt. How dirty this is though. Sheesh. Sheesh. So after you remove that with the 17, you're gonna want to put that bolt back. Figure out somehow. Alright, here's what we're gonna do for now. They're never gonna know. Who's gonna know? They're not gonna know. Hell yeah. Alright, so let's get back to pulling that fucker back out. After you disconnect the seat belt, you can now pull the damn seat out. Voila! Oh, that would have sucked. That motherfucker would have dropped that shit. Alright, I got the seats out. I just need your help putting them in now. Everybody's gonna be like, bro, what, you thought this was a video on how you tell us how to do it. Nah. Well, after this I'll know how. What? Take what off?
Well, where's your rail?
The rails are still in there. Oh, take out those rails too?
Yeah, look. See those?
Uh-huh. They're gonna go in there, huh? Oh, they sit in there.
They're supposed to sit on the fucking these shits, like that.
Oh, it's supposed to sit on this top?
Yeah, because they're gonna slide after. It should fucking fit there. Or you can do it without the fucking thing. But
yeah, I could just use those, right?
Yeah, you're gonna have to probably use a long bolt.
I'm pretty sure the ones that I got will fit. Let's see if
Because my main concern is this. Your fucking track.
Well, that's what I mean. Can I just use those brackets and put it in there?
Yeah, but your back is gonna lean back because your thing's at an angle, right? That's why those you see those bolts in the back.
Mm-hmm.
See how the housing? I see how they're at an angle.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean?
Should I just put those in and see how it sits?
Yeah, you can do that. Just put them in there, sit them down in there, sit down in there, see how it feels, and try to adjust it to where you might want to have it.
Okay, cool.
Because that's how they do it, really. Mine, they just threw them in there. I was like, just throw them in there. I'll figure that shit out later.
All right, let's get these in there and fucking figure it out. All right, guys. All right, guys, we all done. It was a hassle. I was trying to cough and laugh. All right, so here she is. Reading wheat, boy. Hold on, let's get some nice slow shots. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Thanks, cuz. It look nice. He said finally. It's hot as fuck trying to get out here. See, so I was going to do the other one, but we're not going to do that today. We're going to put the other one in the gray one. So that way I at least have some grip while I'm in here. Fuck whoever's next to me. Alright. So we gotta hurry up. As you can tell, I already cleaned mostly everything. Like I said, everything is all fucking put away. All the tools are sitting over there in the fucking corner. So I got the whole kit all right here already. Everything's all fucking put away. Got the inside already cleaned out, brushed out. I already brushed out all the seats, all the floorboards. All I gotta do is wax the trimming on the inside real quick, but that don't take long. All I'm gonna do is I gotta put all the tools back here. Don't mind the back seat, it's all trash. Like I said, I just cleaned everything. Just throwing it all in the back room like I'm having a girl come over and shit. Throw everything all in one closet. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wash this. I'm pretty much finished for the night. This is gonna end today's project. Like I said, there's all kinds of dates that I already posted for you guys. Trying to keep you guys up informed and keep myself promised to what I've been promising you guys. Keeping my promise, pretty much. Anyway, so that's it, guys. Man, that looks fucking sick. I'm fucking stoked, bro. Don't mind that. Alright, guys, so that's going to continue today's video. I'll see you guys here in the next couple days. I'm going to get ready. I'm going to fucking clean up. But long story short, you guys have a good day. Happy Sunday, fun day. 100 miles, everything out.